Your laptop is not broken. LinkedIn is just very, very hungry. 2 tabs, just 2 of LinkedIn can consume 2.4 gigabytes of RAM. That's more than the entire operating system of a 2004 computer. For a website. About resumes. RAM random access memory is your computer's working desk. Not storage, not the hard drive filing cabinet, the actual surface where active work happens right now. The bigger the desk, the more you can juggle at once. LinkedIn, apparently, has decided its desk should be the size of an aircraft hangar. Modern browsers give every tab its own private universe, its own process, its own memory space. This is genuinely smart design. If one tab crashes, it doesn't torpedo everything else. But it also means each tab is free to request as much RAM as it wants, with approximately 0 consequences for the website doing the asking. So what is LinkedIn actually doing with 2.4 gigabytes? Loading your feed? Showing you a list of former classmates who are now self-described thought leaders? The honest answer is, yes, plus several hundred JavaScript libraries that are also doing things, though what exactly those things are remains somewhat aspirational. The modern web is built in layers. HTML is the skeleton. CSS is the skin. JavaScript is everything else, piling on indefinitely. LinkedIn's JavaScript payload is colossal, frameworks stacked atop frameworks, analytics trackers layered like geological sediment, and A/B testing infrastructure for redesigns you will never consciously notice. Here is the architectural irony: LinkedIn is a social network built primarily for people to list their software engineering credentials, engineers who would absolutely clock 2.4 gigabytes of RAM usage and be professionally horrified by it. The audience and the product are in direct conflict. Which is, if nothing else, extremely on-brand. For comparison, the original Doom ran in 4 megabytes. The Apollo guidance computer used 4 kilobytes to navigate to the moon. Microsoft Word, the application that digitized civilization's documents, uses less RAM than LinkedIn's second tab. We have, as an industry, made some choices. There are real reasons web apps swell this way: real-time features, personalization engines, compliance tooling baked into every page load. But there is also a simpler explanation: RAM is cheap, engineer time is expensive, and shipping beats optimizing in every sprint cycle, forever, without exception. The web has always traded efficiency for capability. Every decade, hardware gets faster, and developers find ways to consume all of it immediately, with nothing left over. It is not malice. It is just the natural equilibrium of abundance, a law as reliable as gravity, and slightly less elegant. So next time you open LinkedIn to check your notifications, remember that somewhere a laptop fan is spinning heroically, working at full capacity, just to show you someone's hot take about hustle culture.